Good day. To my future employer, before anything else, I want to introduce myself. My name is Marcel A. Balyon. I am 40 years old and I am from the Philippines. I am married with 2 kids, 1 girl and 1 boy. Last 2019, I have experience in Hong Kong as domestic helper. I take good care of 1 family, 1 couple and their 2 children. I am the one to do all the house chores like washing their clothes, ironing their clothes, go to the supermarket and cooking their foods, a basic Chinese food. But because of the conflict in China and Hong Kong, my employer need to go back in their country in China. But last 2021 until 2025, I have also experienced in Thailand as domestic helper. I take good care of 1 family, 1 couple and their 2 kids. I am the one to do all the house chores also and cook their Thai basic foods. I take good care of their children, take them in the school, take them a bath, and sometimes go to the playground to go and play. I have also read them a book before going to sleep. And I promise if you choose me, I will do all my responsibilities and duties, and I will promise that I will love all your children and take them as my own family. Thank you and see you soon.